three simple steps to know marriage line and married life. Before marriage and after marriage, how your life is going to be. It is very easy to understand from this video, simple 3 to 4 things that I will tell you. If you just note that and take into account into your life also, you can see it very with reality that how things will be good in your life after your marriage. So, I want to explain this video because there are lots of topics that I have got, like very viewers has commented where they have asked that whether how their life will be after their marriage and before their marriage, how the relationship will go and everything. So, I am going to discuss about this in this video. Om Ganeshaya Namah, Om Bhagavan Shri Satyasabhavaya Namah, Om Suryaya Namah, Om Shanishraya Namah. Viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Astrologer Dr. Sai Subhajit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe it, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. Now, most important, that whether you will have the love marriage or not, that is very simple to understand, very simple. Suppose you have to consider this is the heart line, and if it is going to the mount of Jupiter or not. So, this is the mount of Jupiter. Okay. Now, if this line is going to the mount of Jupiter, that means this heart line is going to the mount of Jupiter, that means it is quite sure that you will have a love marriage in your life. If your heart line is also coming there, from there another line is coming, suppose there is another line coming from here, okay, then what this means? This means that if it is in between this index, this is the index finger and this is the Saturn finger, right? So, if it is in between this, so I will use some other color. So, if it is in between this only, if it is forming, then only the family will agree without any disturbances. Family will agree for the marriage and will accept both of you as the life partner. So, if you are having the heart line going to the mount of Jupiter in this mount, and part of the heart line is going to the middle of the index and the middle finger, I will give you more in then you can see this is the part of the fate line and this is the going to the mount of Jupiter. Now, this means that your marriage proposal will be accepted by both the families without any disturbances. Disturbances will be very good, and you will also lead a very good married life, because as the heart line is going to the mount of Jupiter, this heart line is going to the mount of Jupiter, that means that your understanding with your partner will be quite good. So, this is the first instance, first point you have to understand regarding the heart line and the marriage life for the future that you are going to have. So, now if you are having, suppose this is, as this this is the mount of Mercury. So, mount of Mercury means communication, but we are not going to discuss that. We are going to see the union line and the relationship line which is found here in this portion. In this portion, this line appears. Now, as you know, this is the heart line going upward, right? And if any line, suppose this is the line, you always have to check the bigger line. Suppose there are some smaller lines here, you do not consider that. You have to consider the bigger line only, this line only. Then only you will be able to see that appropriate age for the marriage and how your married life will be. Now, actually this line should not be very bent like this. It should not be very bent, because whenever there is a bend, there is a one way of problem that comes to your married life that can be. If it is like this, and if it is little bend, little like this, little bend towards this Mercury, towards this heart line, so towards this heart line, that means that the relationship with your in-laws, relationship with your partner, relationship with everyone will be very good, and they will be supportive for entire your life, and they will be giving you support. So, that is also very good in your life. That will happen whenever this type of structure is there, but there should not be any fork like structure should not be there. Then it is a sign of separation and divorce. You should not ignore this. So, this is the first thing, that whether you will have a good married life or not. You will definitely have a very good married life whenever it is curving towards the heart line. Now, if your, I have told again and I am telling again that if this line should not be coming like this, it should not be very bend, it can be little bend is okay, but you have to check other mounts also for this clarification, because only this band, suppose the little band is not sufficient, this little band is not sufficient to say that okay you will have a very good married life, means the in terms of support, because support from your partner, support from your in-laws, whether from your parents side or whether from your in-laws side, everything is should be very good, otherwise it gives lots of stress and tension in the married life, so that you should not ignore. Now after that you have to see that whenever you have that you have the marriage line and it is going upward like here, whether it is short or bigger, it creates a problem, it gives a distance, separation from your partner, so that is always a problematic line, and it always creates a misunderstanding arguments in the married life, and also lots of problems before marriage also that can happen. So whenever this type of sign is there, you have to make other planets stronger so that these problems can be avoided. Hopefully this is not there in your hand, but if it is still there and you want a solution, then you have to make other planets stronger depending on the palm and the horoscope. And if you want to get my consultation and want to consult regarding the remedies and how you should go ahead to solve the issue, then also you can contact me, contact details are given in the description box. Now apart from that, whenever you see that this is the line that is present, now along with that there are short lines that is present here, what that means, whether you will have 2-3 marriage or not. So it's not a 2-3 marriage line, there can be some instance where 2-3 marriage line is also can be present like this, but this short line doesn't mean marriage line. Okay, marriage line should be quite bigger and quite stronger in terms of thickness also. So these short lines, whatever it is present here, these short lines, that means that it will give you the struggle before your marriage. In general, if the short line is here, that means that it will give you lots of issue in terms of getting a good proposal, or maybe you are talking with some proposal for alliance like for marriage, but still you are getting some issues to convert it into a marriage date or into something, suppose agreement, right? Suppose you want to marry that family, but the agreement, like suppose these are the things that both have the family have to agree regarding the things, and maybe they will like you or maybe both of them you like, but still there will be some instance where it will be created where because of that some postponed of your marriage or cancel of marriage will happen regularly, or means in terms of in some period of time. So that is obstacle or issues that will happen to your life. Also this means that there can be some strong there can be some little minor relationship that also can happen in your life where it will stay there in your life, like it can be a support also. It is not necessary that it should be your opposite gender like your boyfriend and girlfriend, it can be any other person also, it can be your friend, it can be your family members also who can support you, who can have a very good relationship with you, very good attachment. So this is doesn't mean that it should be your some relationship with some other suppose your opposite gender only, so that is not necessary. And also this line also means this red line means that it's a union line, relationship line. So you should see it very carefully without making any analysis or without before making any judgment. Okay, should not take stress if the lines are negative about other things, there is always a solution for every problem, so try to resolve that. And whenever the short lines are there, then also it is said that after fixing the marriage also it is possible that marriage can get cancelled and you may have to marry with someone else, like suppose that marriage got cancelled and you have to see other alliance and other proposal and get married with that person or with that people. So that is okay, that's not a problem. So you have to see very carefully what is the issue and then act accordingly. Don't take stress that you have a negative lines, I'll be having lots of disturbances in the married life. It's not like that. You have to see other mounts also. So in these other mounts what I am going to discuss, it will give you more clarity in your life. Okay, what are the lines, it should be there. Now I'll mention the negative lines first because it would give you much better relaxation when I tell the positive last. So you should have the horizontal lines very less. The more horizontal lines, the more thicker horizontal lines, the more problem in the married life. Like misunderstanding, arguments, extramarital affair can also happen whenever this type of lines is there. Although this is not a extramarital affair lines, but this is a line where worry will come to your life automatically. So there should not be any horizontal lines here, very less compared to the vertical lines, which I am going to discuss now. Suppose you have the vertical lines which should be very thick and should be more. This is one instance that I have also discussed in previous videos, that this is the flow of money, and also it gives a very good understanding with your partner, and very less arguments will happen, and your partner will be very supportive in your life, and it will give you a very good success. Whenever this type of vertical lines are there, relationship are very much secure and very much good. You can definitely able to see that in your life whenever this is there. So these are the lines, the 3 ways to know whether your married life will be good or not, how your married life will behave being after some years or some before while doing the marriage, after doing the marriage also. So hopefully this video will be helpful to you. If you have any doubts or any confusion regarding any lines or anything, you can comment in the inbox, in the YouTube inbox. I will definitely try to answer them, and if you want to take the paid consultation from me to clear more doubts on your hand or horoscope, then you are definitely welcome to contact me. Contact details are given in the description box. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe it, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. Your like, your subscription is very important for me as a motivation. When you comment in the inbox, I feel very happy to enjoy and to see the comments and reply them time to time. So give me the opportunity to serve you in terms of giving the consultation or replying to your YouTube inbox whenever is possible. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.